Good afternoon, tree lovers. This is Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters, and we are looking at a Phoenix Sylvester palm that we planted about 2 weeks ago. This tree has 8 foot of clear trunk. I think it's actually closer to 9 foot of clear trunk. But this is one of the premier palm trees in Florida. They are very exotic, very beautiful. They have a big head and a beautiful trunk. When we clean up our trunk on Sylvester palms, we put a diamond cut on the trunk. And I'm going to walk up close to it so you can see what the diamond cut is. The diamond cut is this right here. It's a quad-shaped cut that we use a sawzall to do. And what we're cutting is this. This is the remainder of the palm frond. The palm frond are those things. That's the leaf on a palm tree. And this part of the palm tree is what we call the pineapple or the nut. That's our shortcut version for what we call it. We leave a nut where we cut the end of the frond off long, and then from the point at the nut to the bottom of the tree, we cut every frond with a diamond cut. These are a magnificent tree. They're extremely beautiful. We know how to handle these. We've got hundreds, perhaps even thousands of these, and we can bring one to you any size you want. Well, we prefer not to sell the small ones because they're just not as beautiful. But this is an 8-footer. We have 6-footers, 10-footers, 12-footers, and they're beautiful trees. Now, this is the house that it's in front of. This is a new house. Not much landscaping has gone in yet, but we're going to be doing all kinds of tree work here in the near future. So if you like this tree and you'd like to have one in your yard, call me, Joel Mizell, owner of the Tree Planters, at 863-581-0486. Feel free to text me, and I can help you to pick out the perfect tree for your yard, whether it's one of these or anything else. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.